Dubai isn't just a city, it's an experience. Imagine standing on the tallest building in the world, watching fountains dance in sync with music, or riding through golden deserts that look straight out of a movie. Whether you're chasing luxury, adventure, or culture, Dubai has it all. And today, I'm taking you through the top 10 things you absolutely must do in Dubai. 1. Burj Khalifa. When you think of Dubai, one landmark instantly comes to mind: the Burj Khalifa. This isn't just the tallest building in the world, it's a masterpiece that makes you feel tiny the moment you look up at it. But the real magic happens when you step inside and ride one of the fastest elevators on Earth all the way to the observation deck. In just under a minute, you're standing more than 450 meters above the ground, looking out at a city that feels like the future. From up here, you can see the Arabian Desert stretching endlessly on one side and the sparkling blue waters of the Gulf on the other. If you're lucky enough to go at sunset, you'll watch Dubai transform from day into night, with the skyline glowing in gold before lighting up like a galaxy. Trust me, it's not just a view, it's an experience you'll never forget. 2. Dubai Mall. Right next to the Burj Khalifa is the Dubai Mall, and calling it a shopping mall feels like an understatement. This place is a world of its own. Yes, you've got luxury brands and endless shops, but that's just the beginning. Inside, you'll find a giant aquarium where you can walk through a tunnel surrounded by sharks and stingrays. There's even an Olympic-sized ice rink, because why not go ice skating in the middle of the desert? Add to that a VR park, cinemas, and literally hundreds of food options, and you'll realize the Dubai Mall isn't just about shopping. It's about spending an entire day discovering something new around every corner. 3. Desert Safari. Now, let's leave the skyscrapers behind for a bit and head into the desert. A desert safari is one of the most unforgettable things you can do in Dubai. Picture this. You're in a 4x4, and the driver is taking you up and down massive sand dunes like a roller coaster. Your heart's racing, sand's flying, and you're laughing the whole way. After the dune bashing, you can ride a camel, try sandboarding, or just soak in the peace of the desert. As the sun sets, you'll watch the sky explode in shades of orange and pink. And the best part? The evening usually ends with a traditional Bedouin-style camp, where you can enjoy barbecue, music, and cultural performances under the stars. It's pure magic. 4. Dubai Marina and Yacht Cruise. Skyline views at night. Dubai Marina is where modern Dubai shows off its best side. Sleek skyscrapers, a sparkling waterfront, and endless restaurants and cafes. It's the perfect place to take a walk or just relax. But the real highlight? A yacht cruise through the marina at night. Imagine sailing past the dazzling skyline with the breeze in your face and the city lights reflecting off the water. Some cruises even include dinner, so you can enjoy international cuisine while watching landmarks like the Ain Dubai Ferris wheel light up the night. Whether you're with friends, family, or even solo, this is one of those experiences that makes you feel like you're living in a movie. 5. Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis Aqua. Man-made wonder Dubai doesn't just build tall, it also builds big. And the Palm Jumeirah is the perfect example. This man-made island, shaped like a palm tree, is so massive you can even see it from space. Driving along its trunk feels like entering another world of luxury hotels, villas, and beach clubs. At the very tip of the palm sits Atlantis, The Palm, a resort that's basically a theme park by itself. Its Aquaventure water park is one of the biggest in the world, with water slides that shoot you through shark filled lagoons and lazy rivers that seem endless. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just want to relax on a private beach, Palm Jumeirah is a must see. 6. Dubai Frame. If you want to see Dubai from a unique perspective, the Dubai Frame is the place to go. Shaped like a giant picture frame, it stands tall between the old and new parts of the city. From one side of the observation deck, you can see modern Dubai with its skyscrapers, while the other side shows the historic neighborhoods that gave birth to the city. The glass walkway up top gives you the feeling of walking on air, and the exhibitions inside take you through Dubai's journey, from a small desert town to the futuristic hub it is today. It's more than a view, it's a story told through architecture. 7. Global Village. If you're visiting Dubai between October and April, you can't miss Global Village. Think of it as a giant cultural festival where countries from around the world set up their own pavilions. One minute you're exploring Egypt, the next you're in Japan. Then you're tasting Turkish delights or watching a Bollywood performance. It's a mix of food, shopping, entertainment, and cultural experiences, all in one spot. The energy is amazing, and it's perfect for families or groups of friends. Honestly, it feels like traveling the whole world in a single evening. 8. Dubai Miracle Garden, a floral wonderland. In the middle of the desert, Dubai somehow created the world's largest flower garden, and it's breathtaking. The Dubai Miracle Garden has over 150 million flowers, arranged into stunning displays, from giant floral castles to life-sized airplanes covered in blossoms. Walking through feels like stepping into a fairy tale. It's colorful, it's creative, and it's one of the most Instagram-worthy places in Dubai. Since it's only open in the cooler months, it makes for the perfect seasonal activity that's as relaxing as it is beautiful. 9. Dubai Creek and Old Souks, the traditional side of Dubai. Beyond the futuristic skyline, Dubai has a soul rooted in tradition. To experience it, head to Dubai Creek. Here, you can take a ride on an abra, a traditional wooden boat, for just a few dirhams. On one side, you'll find the Gold Souk, where shop windows glitter with jewelry, and on the other, the Spice Souk, filled with the aroma of saffron, cinnamon, and oud. Walking through these markets feels like stepping back in time, giving you a glimpse of Dubai before the skyscrapers. It's the perfect balance to the city's modern luxury. 10. Dubai Fountain Show, music in motion. We end our list with something magical, and it's free. The Dubai Fountain Show, right outside the Burj Khalifa, is one of the largest choreographed fountain systems in the world. Every evening, the fountains shoot water up to 150 meters in the air, perfectly synced with music and lights. Whether it's classical tunes or modern hits, the performance feels almost alive. Crowds gather every night, but the atmosphere only adds to the magic. Standing there, watching water dance to music against the backdrop of the Burj Khalifa is the kind of memory that stays with you long after you leave Dubai. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Dubai. From jaw-dropping skyscrapers to golden deserts, from modern wonders to traditional souks, Dubai is one of those rare cities that gives you the best of both worlds. Whether you're chasing adventure, luxury, or culture, this city knows how to impress. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's planning a trip to Dubai.